This right here is a diesel Mustang. It has a 6.0 Powerstroke in it, which is otherwise known as the world's most unreliable diesel. And today, I'm proving that wrong. I've spent the last 31 days trying to blow up my Powerstroke Mustang, and well, it hasn't worked. It's got a rod hanging out of the side of the block. I've done a burnout for over a minute, and it's just not letting go. This is day one of holding my Powerstroke Mustang on the limiter until I can afford a new motor. Today is day two. Today is day three. Today, we're making Powerstroke s'mores. This is a 10-foot weather balloon, and we're gonna fill it up while we're on the limiter today. We're making bacon with my diesel Mustang. Welcome back to Powerstroke Kitchen. Ha, you thought it was a beer. And today, we're launching some things. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make grilled cheese sandwiches. Welcome back, Powerstroke Kitchen. That right there is my diesel swap Mustang, and today I'm cooking my wiener. Just a little bit of this chunky oil. Cheers. A couple days ago, I threw a rod out the side of my motor. Oh no! And today, we're gonna see how long it'll do a burnout. Today is day 31 of holding my Powerstroke Mustang on the limiter until I can afford a new motor. This is my 6.0 Powerstroke swap Mustang. It's currently running on 3 cylinders, maybe 4 if we're lucky. And today is day 32 of holding my Powerstroke on the limiter until I can afford a new motor. If you're new here, for every 1,000 followers I gain, I'm holding this Powerstroke Mustang on the limiter for 1 second longer. Today, we're at 136,000. And our current budget is sitting at $3,400. Let's send a rod to orbit. Come on, girl, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh. More starting fluid, more starting fluid. Oh, I got the pedal to the floor, it ain't doing anything. Oh no, that's not good. Oh man, I wanted to go out in like spectacular fashion. Not like this. Come on, let's blow up. Let's make a show. I got my foot to the floor. Oh no. We got 60 PSI fuel pressure. Oh, it's probably just run out of oil. It's probably got no oil pressure. I did put a gallon of fresh motor oil in this thing right before I did this. Oh no. This is not good, ladies and gentlemen. This is not good. I know what will fix it. More starting fluid. To live! I've run out of starter fluid, no! Oh. Oh, I'm out of starting fluid. No. Oh. Come on, girl. Yeah, she's on the throttle. She's not on the throttle. Oh, man. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah! No. Uh-oh. 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 Guys, I think she might be done. Guys, I think she's officially dead. No compression at all. Won't even start. Wow. I really thought it was going to go out in a more glorious way. Dang. Dang. So sadly, we did not blow up the Strokestang like I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to be this big, massive explosion. We're going to have pistons out of the whole pan. And no, we did not. But we do have to get this motor ripped out because we have summer gnats in a couple of weeks, and this motor definitely is not going to make it. So we're going to start building a new motor. Sadly, the Strokestang no longer living. It didn't explode how I thought it was going to. I figured it was going to be this fiery ball and pistons were going to be going out through the pan. No, it does what a 6.0 Powerstroke does best. It disappointed us. But that's great news because in a couple weeks, we have summer gnats, which I can't use this motor now. So we're going to have to put a brand new one in that we're going to start building here in the next few days. I'm excited for it. I hope you guys are excited for it because this thing is going to be doing some rowdy 5th and 6th gear burnouts at Bradenton, at the Freedom Factory, at Summer Gnats USA. Definitely go back and watch the 31 days of destruction that we did for this Strokestang to afford the new motor. It is probably one of my favorite series that I've ever done. This motor sure didn't last long, but it was fun while it lasted. Make sure to hit that follow button because we're going to go through and tear down this motor, build the new one. So hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, and let the journey continue. Don't forget anti-cum and swap hoodies, shirts, and Crispy Skid shirts on sale now, HughesApparel.com. That's how I can afford to do these fun things.